My name's Jim Cook. I'm a project manager. I've been with the St. Paul District of the Army Corps of Engineers for about a year now. With this project, we are upgrading the support system on which the miter gates hang. The miter gates are the lock systems which allow us to move river traffic up and down the river. We enable the transport of bulk commodities, grain, concrete, things that we can move up and down the river by barge far less expensively than by truck or by train. So the timing for this project, the engineers started design work for some of the components that are getting installed now. We started that work in July. Very deliberate timeline because there's a narrow window in which we could do this work. In order to install these components, we had to essentially disable the lock, something that we're not going to do during the navigation business season, of course. And so we had to do it during the winter time when the river itself is impassable to barge traffic. That gave us a window to start construction in December, and we need to be done by early to mid-March in time for the first barge tow to work its way upriver.